guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another flawless slay tutorial. As you guys see, get into it. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look and see a review on this wig right here, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Mwah. Alright guys, jumping right into the video. The company I will be working with today is Luhair. Here I'm just showing you guys the packaging and what came in the box. As you guys can see, it does come with adjustable straps, combs, and a little thank you card and everything. It was so cute. The box did come a little beat up, but it was alright. This is the wig. This is Lalita. This is a 14-inch natural curly 13x6 lace front wig. It does come with combs on the side, combs on the back, and adjustable straps. Once you put your lace on, you want to go ahead and lay everything up. Y'all already know how I do this. This is kind of like very repetitive, but go ahead and lay your lace. Make sure everything's laying flat and how you want it before you start cutting. And then go ahead and cut your ear tabs and then start to get ready to prep to lay your glue down. After your forehead has been cleaned off with some alcohol or Seas Breeze or witch hazel, whichever one you prefer, you want to take your adhesive. I like to use the Ghost Bond XL, and I'm just going to put 2 thin layers going across from ear to ear. And as you guys can see, I did not do a bald cap method for this. My sides are still out, but there is no glue on them. And with this process, I just think, it's a little quicker. You don't have to mold down a ball cap and all that stuff for people who don't have the time or just really don't know how to do it. But yeah, you want to do 2 thin layers of your Ghost Bond XL and use your blow dryer in between. Do not put your glue on there until it has dried clear. Once it's clear, you can apply another layer and so on and so forth. I only do 2 layers, but you can do as many as you want. 2 layers is secure enough for me to last maybe a week and a half until you need a touch up or anything. Alright, once your glue is dry, you want to gently place your lace onto the glue and just make sure everything is laid down, and then gently press your lace into your glue. This to me is how you get your melting effect. Just be really gentle. Don't smash it up against your face or anything, but just gently press it down, and then take your rat tail comb and a hair dryer and just comb the lace into the glue, if that makes any sense. I hope it makes sense. But yeah, just comb the glue into the lace until everything looks melted, everything feels secure and dry. Taking my razor comb, I'm going to proceed with cutting off the excess lace. I like using this method than using scissors because it's kind of mess free. It only cuts wherever the glue and the lace is not adhered to your skin, if that makes any sense. So you kind of can't overcut your hairline or mess it up or botch your hairline, if you dig what I'm saying. But yeah, just cut off your excess lace, and once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and start laying the baby hairs, sis. Once you take out a thin layer of where you want your baby hairs, I'm going to take my wax stick and use that on my hairline, and take my hot comb just to press anything out. I like my stuff to look flat, you know, flush, like not wiggish, you know, make it look like scalp. So yeah, hit it with your hot comb with the wax stick. Make sure you lay everything down, any flyaways, any bumps, humps, lumps, you know. And then once that's done, I like to take my Got to Be Glued Free Spray and go over that and just hold in everything. Like it just sets everything that I just pressed out with my hot comb and my wax stick. I hope this makes sense to y'all, because I feel like I'm just rambling. You also want to repeat the same process with your part. I am going to do a middle part, and here I'm just showing you guys, look at all that parting space, because this is a 13x6 wig. Y'all, I love 13x6 frontals. You get like hella parting space, like. But yeah, you want to take your Got to Be Glued Free Spray and press out your part wherever you're going to do your part or whatever, because it makes everything look flat, y'all. Like, just like how you did the front, you need to do that to your part too, sis. So, you know, you don't be looking like you got a wig on your head, because, you know, this is scalpiana. Y'all, I have no idea why I decided to wet my hair, but yeah. You want to take your spray bottle and wet your hair just to define your curl pattern. I usually do this after I do my baby hairs. For some reason, I don't know why, but I define my curl pattern before I even lay down my baby hairs. I think I was just anxious to see what it looked like wet and stuff, because I don't know. But yeah, take a spray bottle and wet your hair, and then you want to proceed with doing your baby hairs. I just took some scissors and cut going straight down at an angle, kinda. And I'm just going to do some little simple swoops, nothing crazy. And I left all of the tutorial of each baby hair so you guys can see. I wanted this to be super detailed for you guys, so you can see how I do everything. You don't miss any steps. I'm feeling myself. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, continue on the other side. You want to just, you know, do your simple swoops the same way you did on the other side. Girl, you got to make sure your baby hairs match, because I have seen girls where their frontals, they be looking laid, but their baby hairs don't match. Like, one be thicker than the other on the other side or something. No, sis. Like, that's not going to work. But yeah, take your spray bottle, do the other side just like you did that, so you can have the same texture. You know, you want to detangle your curls. And this not curl pattern, but this wig, it didn't tangle, but it was kind of like a little hard to detangle a little bit. It was a little thick, you know, to be 150 density. It was pretty thick, but I didn't get no shedding from this unit at all. It did come pre-plucked, and of course I did bleach knots and pluck it a little bit off camera. But this is the finished look, guys. Tell me what you think. I love it so much, y'all. I think it's just giving me straight natural curly vibes, straight meltdown. But yeah, this is Luhair, y'all. This is their 14-inch Lalita. The style is Lalita. This is their 14-inch natural curly bob. It is 150 density, 13x6 parting. Y'all, I love it so much. Tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that bell, y'all. I'm trying to post more videos for you guys. If you guys want to see like some other video tutorials or ideas, please list them below in the comment section for me. But yeah, hope you guys like this. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.